Strategic asset management in 3 minutes. Do you need to manage your company's assets more efficiently and make them more productive? As your asset network grows, maintenance becomes increasingly complex. Costs and risks increase and organizational results are affected. Retain is an enterprise asset management tool based on our 4-layer model. We place the asset at the center of our model as a key element of business strategy. The second layer adds business intelligence to the asset, allowing us to control its life cycle and the related processes. Then, we incorporate advanced tools for the exploitation and technical operation of the assets. Finally, the whole tool is based on a layer that unites technology and business knowledge to achieve maximum efficiency in the operation. Retain's strategic vision provides an answer to the current problems of asset management, allowing to implement knowledge and business intelligence, debureaucratize and automate activities, improving efficiency, manage your providers, integrating them into your company's strategy, ensure quality in asset management, work with unique information sources, intelligent and interoperable with other systems. Our model, based on a centralized digital information strategy, covers the entire asset life cycle, from design to operation, including all activities in the CAPEX and OPEX cycles. We integrate maintenance and operations activities with design and construction phases, giving the BIM methodology a new dimension of operational efficiency, which we call ED. Our methodology allows the implementation of BIM models even on assets not designed in BIM. What is Retain? Retain is a complete suite of applications designed for efficiency in the management of assets and their associated operations in the life cycle, working in an interconnected way around our Central Information System, RCI. Retain has management applications for projects, documents, asset legalization, campaigns, maintenance, environmental, energy efficiency, and safety. These applications are supported by advanced technological tools, which give the system tremendous functionality, versatility, and efficiency, such as workflow generator, agendas and planners, alarm generator, dashboard, dynamic and management reports, simulators, connectors with client applications. Retain works in 3 levels of configuration: generic, standard technological solutions for any type of business; industry, we apply our experience to provide solutions adapted to each industry, such as hotels, restaurants, retail, utilities, and infrastructures, among others; customer, we customize the platform to the specific needs of each customer. We apply the technology by means of using the Retain model of implementation, a process of continuous improvement that allows us to provide the best solution to each organization and optimize it based on the information obtained in a reliable way and in real time. Obtain the maximum performance and value of your assets with Retain, the most complete strategic asset management solution. Retain brings your asset to life.